Premium Hill Academy. Morality, ingenuity, and excellence at its peak.
Alright guys, let's look at the special cases in logarithms. Special cases in logarithms. It's very easy. That's what I just put here. The special cases, it says if we have an a raised to the power of log of base a to x, the answer will be x. What do I mean? If we have, for instance, we have 3 raised to the power log base 3 to 9, our answer will simply be 9. How? Listen, for instance, we have this. Let's take this for instance. Remember, we have 3 and then log base 3. 9 can be raised to 3 raised to the power 2, right? Yes. And what happens? The 2 will come here, like we've been saying. So that becomes 3 log of base what? 3 to what? The 2 is here now. Bringing the 2 back, we have 3 to 3. Yes. Right? So look at now. Log to its own basis should be 1. Right? So that our answer becomes 3 raised to power 2 times what? Log to its own base is 1. Right? Look at this now. Yes. It becomes 3 raised to power 2 times 1 should be 2. And 3 raised to power 2 is what? It's 9. Same answer. We have the same answer here. That's basically what it is. It's a special case. If we have something like this, they give you something like this in the exam, just that's the answer to what it is. Right? So let's try something else. Let's try for instance, let's say we have 5 raised to the power of log 5 raised to 125. What do you think the answer should be? Can you guess? Yes, the answer should be simply 125. That's what the answer is going to be. How? It's simple. Getting the how is that simple. If you look at this, we have 5 raised to the power of logarithm of what? 5 raised to the power of 5 here will be 125 here will be what? 5 raised to the power of 3. Right? And so with that, we push this one here. We're left with what? 5 raised to the power what? 3 log 5 base 5 to 5. Log to its own base should be 1. So this one will give us 1. So that way we're going to have 5 raised to the power what? 3 times 1. Which should be what? 5 raised to the power 3. And if we do that, that should be 5 times 5 times 5. Yes, 5 raised to the power 3 indices, right? And if we do that, I'm sure we're going to get 125. Simple. That's simple. Right? That's what the special case I said I want to show you about. The next special case is if we have any log. Let's assume we have log base b to 1 is equal to 0. Log of a base to 1 is equal to 0. Log of a base to 1 is equal to 0. So if we have, for instance, we have log of base 2 to 1, the answer is 0. Right? Why? Let me show you why. If we try and reverse this logarithm form to its indices form, remember we said this is our base, right? This is our power, and this is the number. If we want to reverse, by reversing, we take this one here, right? That is, this 2 come here, this one goes up, and then 1 remains, right? So it's going to be like 1 is equal to, by the 2 coming here, become 2 raised to the power 0. Remember, anything raised to the power 0 is what? It's 1 for indices. Right? For indices, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. And if we want to reverse this to the logarithms, I said in my first class, I said if we take this guy down, becoming the base of a new log, this one comes out, so it becomes something like log of what? This one coming down of base 2 to this one here equal to what? Equal to 0. So log to anything, log base b, any base to 1 is 0. Just the same we have log to its own base is 1. Just so we have log to any base to 1 is equal to 0. I'll show you 2 or 3 questions as regards to special cases. Then we'll dive strictly to what questions are. We're going to take questions on power law, take questions on product rule, take questions on quotient, take questions on Shinyon base, and also take questions on what on special cases. By then, I believe we're good to go with what indices are. After that, we'll go to solving logarithms problems regarding solving logarithms using their tables. Logarithms, solving them using their table, and we're going to be using logarithm substitution law. I'd like to see you there in the next video. Thank you very much.
Premium Hill Academy. Morality, ingenuity, and excellence at its peak.